Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Capricorn. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies, for your relationship, and for your career situation, guys. So, for your daily energies, Capricorn, these are the cards. We'll be picking few cards, guys. Today these are for daily energies. This is for your career situation, this is for your relationship, guys, your love energy, and I'll be picking one card from the Rumi oracle deck. So this is our Rumi card. I'll keep it here. We will open the cards as we proceed, guys. For your daily energies, Capricorn, the Hermit in reverse, Justice, Two of Wands in reverse. Capricorn, with these cards, guys, the energy is that maybe Capricorn, you are a person who takes that responsibility in any situation, in your work or in your personal life. You do things in a particular way, particular order, and you are clearly aware of your path, your choices, and you assess any situation clearly before going into action, and you have that clear perception about your situation and about the people in your life, in your career, or in your personal life. You have that clarity, guys, and you do it in a particular way. You have that unbiased view in your situation, and people see you for that, and people love you for that, because you have that clear perception of any situation. That is what I see here. And maybe some of you all, you are afraid of something. You are afraid of some consequences. You have some fear about something in your life, maybe some circumstances that, or it may be something of a caution. Maybe you're cautious about something, but you are taking extraordinary precautions. It may seem like fear, or your precautionary activities may seem like fear for others, from people around you, maybe your friends or family, guys. So something of that sort, that energy is also here. And maybe for some of you all, you may be getting a surprise visit, or you may be trying to surprise your person, or you may be finding yourself wondering, excited about something today, guys. Maybe you are finding out something, or some activities or something which is giving you that wonderful feeling in you, that happiness. And also you may feel emotional today, guys, some kind of emotion, maybe scared of something, or you may be worried that you may be facing some stressful situations. Something is making you emotional today, Capricorn. That is also what I see here. What is the card for your career? Three of Swords. So with this card here, guys, in your career situation, maybe you may feel that in your work situation people are not being helpful. Maybe your colleagues or people who work under you, your employees or your mentors, whoever they are not lending you that helping hand in this time. So you need someone's help, and you are expecting that, Maybe it's time you voice out your need, guys. That is what I see here. That may be the reason that people may not know that you need help, so that is the reason they are not helping you, maybe for some of you all. And you feel lonely and isolated because of that, separated, some kind of loneliness in your work situation, maybe because of these people who are not having that helping nature in your career situation, guys. What is the card for your relationship, Capricorn? It's 8 of Wands. So with this card here, guys, I see here that in your relationship with this person, you are stepping into that deeper commitment with this person, and you are seeing things falling into place. You have that understanding, intimacy in this relationship, clear understanding, communication, good communication with this person, and you know each other's the positives and negatives, and you love each other for what you are. So you see the truth in this relationship, and you are taking it forward, moving towards that positive goal, marriage or engagement. Things are speeding up, gaining momentum in your relationship. So things are pointing you towards marriage or engagement with this person, guys. And even this person wants that commitment with you. That is what I see here. So what is the card for your guidance, guys? So this card, it may not relate to your present situation, guys. It may answer some questions you have in your mind, something about your situation, some deep thought or some confusing things that you may have, some questions what you need to do. So this guidance will make us understand what we need to do today, guys. So we will think about those questions, and we will turn the card now. Capricorn. Blessing of Zahra. The appearance of this card, guys, is that the guidance is that you are being guided towards radiance and brightness, guys. That is the blessing today for you all. So it can be reached by shedding all that toxins in the physical level, emotional and psychological level. So whatever is polluting us physically, maybe if we are sick, we have to go in for that healing, physical healing, maybe some minor sickness. This card denotes that we are healing to better health, or it may be something stressing our mind, some issue in our work. You need to let go of that issue, guys. So whatever is causing this trouble in ourselves, creating that stressful situation for us mentally, you have to move into that resolution in that situation. So timing is correct, guys. Divine timing is working now. So things are moving towards that brighter things. So whatever issues at hand that we may feel that is being that is leaving us, something which is very painful for us to give up, but it is no longer healthy for us. So we need to give that up. Maybe some habits or some mental trouble, some stressful thoughts, or maybe even this illness, maybe physically we may be ill. So whatever it is, we have to this is the time for us to heal from all that. So better things are waiting for us, guys. Beautiful things are waiting for us. So we need not worry about these small things that are leaving us, and we have to wait for that better blessings that are coming our way. So that is the guidance for you all today, guys. So things maybe in your career situation or in your relationship, you need to give up that stressful situations what is troubling you, the thoughts, or maybe physically, if you are in some kind of illness, you have to go in, this is the time for you to get that healing energy, guys, and you are moving forward towards that healing energy, that direction. So that is what this card is about, and that is the reading for you all, Capricorn, today. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, Capricorn. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.